Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to set up two-factor authentication or 2FA on your Discord account right through your mobile phone. So it's a very easy process. Now, before we open Discord, we need a separate free app called Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. This app will generate a special 6-digit code that you will need to log in. So Discord requires this for 2FA. So what you do is simply open your Play Store or App Store and simply search for Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Simply download any one of them. Both of them work perfectly fine. For this video, I'm going to use the Microsoft Authenticator app. So now it's very simple. All you have to do is simply tap Install to install the application and you will be done with it. Now, once the Authenticator app is ready, let's go into Discord and turn the feature on. So simply look for your Discord on your phone, then open Discord. Now, in your Discord, first click on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner, then click on the Settings option at the top right-hand corner. Over here, simply go to Account. And over here, inside the account settings, scroll down, and you should find the option called Enable Authenticator app. Simply tap on that, and then click on Next. Again, click on Next and you will find a code over here. Simply copy the code. Once you have copied the code, go back to your Authenticator application. Now wait for a few seconds. Now, over here inside the Authenticator application, simply click on the plus icon at the top right. Then choose Enter Code manually. For the account name, simply type in Discord, and for the security key, simply paste the code that you copied. Then click on Finish. Now, once that is done, your account is set up. The next thing to do is go to your Authenticator app, then copy the 6-digit code and go back to the Discord application. Click on Next and paste the code over here. Now, enter your existing password. Now, just click on Submit. Now, make sure to do the entire process quickly because if the code expires, you will have to do it again from the start. If the code expired, wait for the new code to generate in your Authenticator app. Once that is done, copy the new code, go back to the Discord application, and then paste your new code right over here. Then, once you enter the code successfully, you will see a pop-up right over here. It will say 2FA activated. You should also enable SMS authentication as a backup. So click on this option and enter your phone number. After that, simply click on Next. Now, wait for a 6-digit verification code that will be sent to your phone. You can see that I just received mine. Simply enter the code right over here, and after that, simply click on Verify. Now, simply enter your password again to verify. Now, once you've done that, click on Done, and you're good to go. And as you can see, 2FA is set. You have also enabled the SMS Backup Authenticator as well. So click on that option and then click on Oh. Now that your SMS Backup Authenticator is also activated, in this section, make sure to tap on the View Backup Codes button to save them somewhere secure, like a password manager or a cloud drive. You can even write them down on a piece of paper to store them safely. Do not skip this step. If you ever lose access to your Authenticator app and you don't have these codes, you could be locked out of your account forever. So keep that in mind. So that's it. Your Discord account is now protected with two-factor authentication, making it incredibly secure. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching and take care.